Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for May 7th, 2013. We have a much cooler air mass starting to build into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. However, ironically, the further north you are, the warmer it's going to get today. Meanwhile, along the coast, not so much. Now here we have the temperatures currently this morning as of 8:30, ranging from the lower to mid 50s throughout the region. Notice along the coast and over the Philadelphia metropolitan area, we do have areas of fog ranging from 2 to 4 miles in visibility. Temperatures are in the lower to mid 50s in these locations, of course, and winds are from the east and northeast around 5 to 10 miles per hour. The visible satellite picture shows our marine air mass building into portions of Long Island and southern and central New Jersey and starting to creep into southeastern Pennsylvania. This marine air mass is not going away anytime soon because of the sustained easterly winds from our low pressure system centered down in Virginia. So as a result, these areas that have cloud cover now likely will have cloud cover throughout much of the day. Could see a few breaks of sun here and there, but for the most part looking for a cloudy day with temperatures right along the coast in the lower to mid 60s, upper 60s to lower 70s right around New York City and Philadelphia, right in between this corridor right here. And then as you move further to the north over Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, northern New Jersey, and northeastern Pennsylvania, temperatures are going to warm up into the lower to mid 70s because you have sunshine warming up the atmosphere through this morning into the afternoon hours. Now clouds will increase through the day, but with that initial burst of sunshine this morning, it's going to allow temperatures to warm up and reach higher levels by this afternoon in the lower to mid 70s. If this cloud cover was not around, everyone would be in the lower to mid 70s today. Well, except for the immediate coast, possibly mid to upper 60s. Here we have the infrared satellite picture. Our low pressure system is lifting up towards Virginia, is the surface reflection of our upper level low, which is right around here. Now, notice our high pressure system is shifting off towards New England. Eventually, this high pressure system will redevelop towards the Canadian Maritimes, supporting a nice southeasterly flow. Now, you see how this convection over here is enhanced? This is the result of being on the northeastern side of this upper level low, so you have more enhancement from the synoptic level. And you also have a very strong moisture fetch from the Atlantic right into the mid-Atlantic coast. So what I'm expecting is for this shift in this moisture transport, should I say, will shift northward towards the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area by tomorrow morning, producing periods of moderate to heavy rainfall. And we can see that starting to develop now in the radar. Originally, remember yesterday, this was focused around North Carolina, southwestern Virginia, West Virginia, and Ohio. As the upper level low is lifting north and east, this area of rainfall will shift north and east with it, eventually focusing over Philadelphia by tomorrow morning and lifting up towards New York City by tomorrow afternoon, producing periods of moderate to heavy rainfall, possibly a few areas of localized flash flooding. No severe weather though. Atmosphere is too stable for any type of severe thunderstorms, but will be capable of producing heavy downpours. Here we have the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. I'm staying with the European model guidance because it's been the most consistent, but at this point right now you can pretty much use almost any model because they all are in strong agreement. For this afternoon and evening, again, here's our upper level low lifting up towards Virginia. Our surface reflection really isn't all that impressive. This is not a strong storm, but it's pretty much driven by the fact we're having strong southeasterly winds at the lower and mid levels of the atmosphere, driving moisture right into the northern mid-Atlantic. So for today, look for clouds to increase from south to north or southeast to northwest, leading to overcast conditions by this evening for everyone. Threats for isolated showers, but for the most part, the bulk of the rainfall will hold off until tomorrow morning. By tomorrow, look for periods of rain lifting north and east with the upper level low, initially focused over Philadelphia, lifting up towards New York City. The rain will be heavy at times and will be something to keep an eye on. There could be some localized flash flooding, but no severe thunderstorms are expected. The upper level low will weaken and lift over towards southern New England. Really at this point we're going to be dealing with just widely scattered showers on Thursday with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s along the coast, mid to upper 60s inland, By Friday, the upper level low lifts further away, and we fall under the influence of a southwesterly flow as really the high pressure system over the Atlantic takes hold. So we have a nice southwesterly wind at the surface. Aloft, ahead of a cold front that's going to be diving into the northern plains, we'll also have a southwesterly flow, and that means our temperatures are going to warm up rather nicely into the lower to mid 70s, possibly even a few upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley, like around Camden, portions of western Monmouth County in New Jersey, possibly up to Newark, New Jersey. It's going to be a very warm, nice day, but of course with those warm temperatures there also will be the potential for a few isolated showers, possibly even a thunderstorm. Again, not expecting anything severe though at this time. Saturday and Sunday is going to be tricky because a cold front is going to be approaching, so look for scattered showers, especially Saturday night into Sunday morning. The showers and thunderstorms could be capable of producing very heavy downpours, possibly an isolated severe thunderstorm mixed in here as well, especially with the mid-level winds being so strong on Sunday morning, producing a thunderstorm capable of strong wind gusts over 40 miles per hour, frequent lightning possibly, and also very heavy downpours. Not much data suggesting any hail though, so that's the good news. By Sunday night, the cold front exits, high pressure takes control, and high pressure will be in control Sunday evening on through Monday with clearing skies. Monday is going to be much cooler. The previous days were pretty much in the mid 60s to lower 70s. By Monday, though, we're going to be in the low to mid 60s for highs, below normal, but don't worry, that won't last long as we have a zonal pattern taking hold that will transport a warm air mass from the plains into the eastern United States. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.